Are you ready to take your mentoring game to the next level? Look no further than Knowledge Connector Mentoring. With our cutting-edge technology, we're making mentoring easier, more productive, and impactful than ever before. Let's dive in and see how Knowledge Connector Mentoring can work wonders for your business. Knowledge Connector Mentoring is designed to seamlessly integrate with Teams and the Microsoft Workspace, your employees' everyday platform. Mentors and mentees can easily carry out all their mentoring activities and monitor their mentorships all in one place without any hassle of switching between apps. Knowledge Connector Mentoring creates a seamless process that helps employees create their own profiles easily and start searching for their perfect mentor or mentee using our magical advanced search tools, powered by our cutting-edge intelligent matching technology. Not only do your mentors and mentees get amazing benefits, but you as the manager can monitor progress, generate comprehensive reports on matches, activities, goals, outcomes, and feedback for some serious insights with just a few clicks. And as if that wasn't enough, our mentoring toolkit makes it a breeze to tailor the program to your company's policies and processes. Your employees will have all the guidance and advice they need to develop and get the most out of their mentorships. With Knowledge Connector Mentoring, you can create a culture of growth and development that your employees will love, all while streamlining your workflow, boost productivity, and saving precious time and resources. So what are you waiting for? Book a demo and join the future-ready movement and power up your mentoring programs with Knowledge Connector Mentoring today.